This summer sees Vic Roads commence its biggest works program ever in the southwestern part of Victoria. We've got $300 million worth of projects to transform the road network across about 100 projects, and I think it's going to make a real difference to the road conditions. A lot of the roads were built many decades ago and were built for a different purpose. So the real challenge for us is to try and transform this network and make sure our roads are going to be fit for purpose for the future and be able to support the communities and the industries that use them. We're here on the Hamilton Highway and we're first strengthening the road, and then we'll be resurfacing the road to get rid of our potholes and cracking and rutting. Our focus has changed from just patching to building fit-for-purpose roads that are going to be strong and tough enough for the heaviest vehicles. We're upgrading 10 narrow roads across our region. These are one-lane roads where they're quite dangerous, where traffic mixes with freight and there's not much room to move on. We've worked on Myman Macarthur, Timboon Nullawarre and Eresford Road. Foxhall Road is a notorious road in our region, and this is another project which I'm really rapt to see widened over its whole length. This summer we'll see the completion of that project, and it will really make a big difference from people that are driving between the Princes Highway to the Hamilton Highway. We want everyone to reach their destination safely and reliably. We're on a big journey to transform the road network in the southwest of Victoria. It's a massive task. There will be some disruption, but we're getting on with the job and we appreciate everyone's patience.